Hello and welcome to Art for All. With a logo that looks a bit like a racetrack, the Infinity design of Meta Company is kind of fun to draw. Let's give it a go. You can reduce the speed to quarter speed or half speed from YouTube settings. Download a free printable from the link in the description and draw along with us. If you like watercolor paintings, please do visit our channel, Art for All Watercolors. I'll share the link in the description. We also do pencil sketches. Please visit our channel, Art for All, sketching for hundreds of beautiful sketches. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe.